Good news! We're giving out $2,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money to 20 new subscribers. That's $200 each as a celebration gift from our new channel. Now, here are the 4 steps to enter. First, subscribe to our channel. Second, like this video. Third, hit the notification bell. And lastly, leave a nice comment below. And now, back to the video. Here's a question. Did you make money the last time you listened to music? We all know how much we love music. We listen to it in the car, out with friends, and even while doing our homework. But what if you could press a button on your phone or computer that would pay you money every time you listen to your favorite song? Yes, it is a thing that works. So pay attention to this video because I'll tell you everything I know about. If you follow every second of this video and learn how to make a part-time income from home, you may make a lot of money online using the method. So make sure to watch until the end of this video to know all information about this method. With this strategy, you'll learn how to earn money on a regular basis by simply pressing a button on your phone and listening to music while earning money. Imagine waking up in the morning and simply turning on your music money-making machine, then going on with your day, having a meal and earning money while listening to your favorite tunes. The first thing we'll need to do is create a PayPal account. This is how we'll get our money from the several websites that I'll show you in today's video. Click here to go to paypal.com and click on the sign up button after creating a simple personal account. And that's all there is it. In no time, you'll have your account up and running. You can do this and earn money from these websites for anywhere in the world. There is no need to pay for a premium membership to use this. So how do I get paid? The RadioEarn.com website will pay you with PayPal because many people are already familiar with it. It's very simple and easy. Right here, you can see the live statistics of all the different listeners from around the world. This website has already paid out this amount to its users worldwide. The website has a number of users from all over the world listening to music right now and earning money. You can zoom in and out right here to see the number of people who are currently earning money. Sign up for an account on this website by clicking this button, then provide them with the necessary information to successfully create your new account and view your very own dashboard. Once you have access to your dashboard, you'll choose one of the 3 radio stations right here and you'll be paid every couple of minutes of listening. The points will be added directly to your account and later converted into real actual cash. But before you can start earning money with this method, make sure to input your payment details here on this page. Simply enter the details of your newly created PayPal account or whatever payment method you want to use. Now start listening and earning money. Click on this button right here. Once you clicked on the radio station, another tab will open. Simply click on this play icon over here. The best thing about this method is that you can just leave it in the background. After the requisite number of minutes, you will switch to another station. And that's all there is it for this platform, which is simple to use and intuitive. So give it a shot right now. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved this video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. I found another website called cashforminutes.com that pays you for listening to music on your phone. All you have to do is go to this website and sign up. Once you've signed up, they'll send you an email confirmation to verify your account. On your first login, they'll show you this information board where you can see all the flow and how to use the website to make money. Make sure to read on to learn about the platform's do's and don'ts. Also, remember to link your payment option to this website so that you can get paid once you're eligible for payments. Once that's done, you can start earning money by moving on to the next platform, hitpredictor.com. This is one of my favorite websites for making money while listening to music. Once you log in, you'll likely earn money as a critic for the songs you listen to on this website. Once you've finished listening, you'll be directed to this page where you can leave a comment and rate the artist's music. Once you've finished reading, you can earn points that you can later convert to cash. The last website, and certainly not the least, is musicxray.com, where you can listen to music brands, review their songs, and earn money. A According to their website, it's the industry's leading song and talent filter. You can either listen to music or submit music to check for those jobs. Now, let me give you a quick recap of the platforms that we've discussed. The first website is called Radio Earn. On this website, you can earn money by just listening to music. You can stream music and iTunes if you want. If you want, just go to the website and register for a free account. The second website is called cashforminutes.com. This website will pay you to pick up the phone and dial some numbers while listening to an internet radio broadcast. The third website is Hit Predictor, which reviews up-and-coming music that has never been heard by anyone before. You rate the musicians and artists that you've listened to and will be paid for your honest opinion. The last website is called Music X-Ray, where you can earn money simply by listening to music and, of course, by submitting your music to it. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.